Hi there, today I'll be showing you the HawksHead Talon 6 Bi-Mode tire pressure monitoring system. This system can monitor up to 6 wheels, has a range of approximately 50 feet, and can monitor up to 188 psi. When you purchase this base system, you receive a standard monitor with 6-wheel capability, complete with a lithium rechargeable battery, 2 versatile monitor mounts, 2 monitor power cords, your standard cigarette lighter charger, and a hardwire cord, your choice of 4 or 6 wheel sensors for up to 188 psi pressures that have sensor locking screws and batteries already installed, an Allen key for locking screws, extra seals and extra locking screws, and operating instructions. Signal boosters are also available for any application over 50 feet. Basic alarm setup. The monitor comes with a basic charge, but will need a full charge of approximately 4 hours before you can set up your system. To program your monitor, you must first turn on the system. Then press and hold set until the monitor beeps and goes to setup mode. Here it will flash between PSI and bar. Using the plus button, choose your setting and press set to save. Now choose between Celsius and Fahrenheit using the plus button and press set to save. Now the first axle should be flashing. Here you will adjust the high pressure alarm. Use the plus and minus buttons to set your desired pressure, and once happy with your settings, press set to save. Now we will set the low pressure alarm for the same axle. Using the plus and minus buttons, set it to your desired pressure and press set to save. Now you will set the high pressure for the remaining axle. Using the plus and minus buttons, set it to your desired pressure and press set to save. Repeat these steps for the low pressure. Using the plus and minus buttons, set it to your desired pressure and press set to save. Now you will set the temperature alarm for all tires. Using the plus and minus buttons, set it to your desired temperature and press and hold set until the monitor beeps to save. You will now be in the running mode. Next, we will show you the basic steps of sensor installation. Press and hold code until the system beeps once. Here the first tire will be flashing and you will see the default sensor code. Simply screw the sensor onto the valve stem. The new sensor code will appear. Use the plus and minus buttons to move between tires and repeat these steps. Using the plus and minus buttons, you can skip over any tires you do not wish to use. Once all your tires have been added, simply press and hold code until the monitor beeps once. You will now be back in the running mode. Allow up to 5 minutes for all of your readings to appear on the monitor. If you should happen to make a mistake and wish to delete a sensor, simply press and hold code until the monitor beeps once. Using the plus and minus buttons, scroll through the tires until you reach your desired tire. Press and hold set until the default sensor code appears. Using the plus and minus buttons, scroll through any remaining tires you wish to delete and repeat these steps. Once you have deleted all your desired tires, press and hold code until the monitor beeps. You will now be back in the running mode. Thank you for watching. All of our products and information can be found at our website.